The best thing about BI is once you complete one class, you will learn one thing. That's the best thing. That was my motivation.
For example, for me, it was I joined Board Infinity. I learned about statistics. I didn't know much about that.
My journey started with Board Infinity to learn those technical skills.
Until unless you don't have that skills, it's very difficult to stay in the market. So that's when I planned to join the Board Infinity.
Board Infinity did support me. Whenever we have some grievances, we go to different people who solve it.
We developed Board Infinity as a system which could enable and help human beings discover their true potential. This human endeavor or struggle is at the core of what we do and what we stand for.
I think it's great to be a part of this organization because every day when you set up for work, it feels like you are working towards a great idea which is impacting lives so beautifully. Educating one person or guiding one person towards their career, it changes the lives of many people who are related to that person. It sort of creates a domino effect, and it's a great feeling to see that direct impact happening.
So basically I joined Board Infinity around mid-19, almost 2 years ago. So from the last 2 years I have learned so many new things here related to business, management, technology, and have seen my growth professionally and personally as well.
In the last 4 years you have come a long way. You have come a long way in terms of making sure that there are coaches who can impart real life value and real knowledge from the industry to students. You've come a long way in terms of making sure students get the right guidance as well as they learn so that they can excel in their existing careers as well as learn to get into new opportunities.
Every day is a new learning, right? So I used to often hear this quote a lot, and I was pretty clueless when everyone used to state this, that every day is a new learning, and I was pretty confused that okay, there must be some inner meaning to it, or there was something. So I was all of those times I was pretty clueless what it was. Then later I joined this organization, and since then we feel that whatever we learned in the college or what was the actual reality, it's pretty different from what we learn and what we experience. And the experience which I had in Board Infinity is amazing, and I can very much relate to the quote, every day is a new learning, in this organization since I joined.
Today, as we celebrate our 4th anniversary, I believe or I wish that Board Infinity is there as a system forever to help human beings achieve their truest of potential. I would like to sincerely thank our stakeholders, starting from our customers who has been with us for the last 4 years. I would like to thank every single team member in Board Infinity today who has worked really hard and has been a very, very strong force in building this company inch by inch and step by step.